What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the Presidio grip case from SPECK for the all-new iPhone XS Max. So of course without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. The grip case is one of my favorite cases from SPECK, particularly because it offers an amazing grip with this case. Hence the name. Of course, you have these rubberized grips that goes around the sides and a bit of the back here. And for those of you who are a little bit clumsy with your phone, this is definitely a great case to go for. Like all Presidio cases, it is a hybrid style case. You have the SPECK's Impactium material that surrounds the entire bezeled border as well as part of the inside here, and of course a polycarbonate shell that's fused to it. To install this case onto the iPhone, it's pretty simple. I usually go button side first, and it just pops into place. So taking a quick overview of this case and what it has to offer, starting off with the top here, we do have an excellent amount of top protection with the TPU material wrapping around the entire border of the phone. On the sides, you have covers for the power button, volume rockers, and they still feel like actual buttons when you press on them. A cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch, and you can see all the way around the sides here, we have that rubberized grip that helps you give a good grip on your phone. On the bottom case, you have 3 individual cutouts for your stereo speakers, mic, and lightning ports. And finally on the back here, we have a generous cutout for your dual camera flash, the SPECK logo engraved on the top, the grip that extends all the way around the back, and the entire back part does have a nice smooth matte finish. Overall guys, just like last year's model, I'm really happy that they carry the same grip case for the iPhone XS model now. Although to some it may not be the most prettiest case out there, practicality wise, it's one of the best cases to use just because you have the best grip around it. And generally when you drop a phone, it's usually because it slips out of your hand. The case does come in a few different colors. This one here is obviously an all black model, but if you want something a little bit more colorful, there are a few others to choose from. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, the only thing I could say is because of the additional grips on the case, it may make it a little bit more difficult to slide in and out of your pocket. In conclusion guys, if you think you're a little bit clumsy with your phone and you want something that adds a bit more grip to the case, you definitely can't go wrong with the SPECK Presidio grip case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about this case, ask her in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.